guys. You gotta enter. Shh. They found the real Fortnite storm. What? They had to see that.
Dude, no, I missed it. Oh, they had to see that.
Yeah.
Dude, this is crazy.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. By the way, hi guys. I'm back, and I found this.
It's Donnie.
Yeah.
Donovan here.
Yeah, it's I'm Donovan. Yeah, you guys know me.
Yeah.
Why would I introduce myself? But we found a thunderstorm, and it's crazy.
Noticed it.
Well, yeah.
I just noticed it.
Yeah, dude, we can't see you, but yeah, my friend Nathan noticed it.
Oh, guys, I noticed it too. If you can see me, I have my own YouTube channel. It's called Table Chip, so please subscribe and leave a like.
Okay, good, guys.
And I will upload more videos.
Okay, I'm zooming up as close as I can. Hope you guys like this. Okay.
Ooh, did you see that?
No, I must have not caught. Oh, okay, you guys gotta saw it. Sorry, guys. I'm not great with camera action. Hold on, let me just sit down. Guys.
I put them on mine too.
Okay. Whoa! Yeah. I caught that just on time. That was so lucky.
Behind the tree.
Yeah, dude.
Guys.
Savannah, watch out.
Whoa! I saw that. Fred, I think your little cardboard friend is freaking out.
Who?
Your cardboard friend?
Yeah. Oh! That was big. I hope nothing's getting struck right now.
What if it's heading towards us?
Dude, if that happens, we need to like secure the houses. Guys, this could be dangerous.
If we get shot.
Hold on, guys. I gotta talk to my viewers. Guys, if you guys are looking at that, this could be dangerous from us. If it comes to us, if lightning strikes down, this could be dangerous.
It can cause a tornado.
If something happens, I will review you guys. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna come to us.
Yeah.
Nathan. But yeah, if that happens, I will update you, and hopefully it doesn't come over to us. Hopefully it doesn't strike down on us. But let's get back to watching it.
Yeah. Oh, I saw. This is so amusing.
Wait. Hold on, let me unzoom. Okay, there it is.
People think it's awesome for my name. No, it isn't.
Shh.
It is.
Whoa.
Did you catch that?
Yeah, I caught that.
No, I didn't.
Dude, I'm catching lots of this.
I need to make up this song. No, boy.
Whoa!
I saw that.
That was crazy.
Oh!
Whoa!
I saw that.
Dude, I caught that. Look at that moon. Oh, it went small again.
Whoa! I saw that. I definitely saw that.
I might have missed that.
Whoa!
That's crazy.
Whoa!
Whoa! Okay, guys, stop. Let me do it if it's actually really crazy.
Whoa! Whoa!
Guys, stop. It's getting annoying now.
Whoa! Whoa!
Boy.
Whoa!
Hey guys, it's weird. You could see me, and it's really light.
Yeah.
But when I turn it towards the lightning, it's hard to see. Okay.
You should have put my channel is gonna be.
Okay. Get away from those crazy people. Yeah, I was saying, it's crazy how you can see me in the light now, but over there you see the dark. Okay, I'm gonna get back to it, and we're gonna do the outro soon. Okay, there.
Turn around. Revenge.
I just got shot by a Nerf gun. Ouch. Okay, guys. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Got it.
Whoa!
That's not big. Yeah, it wasn't big. Guys, don't freak out unless it's really big. Okay, pretty cool.
That's cool. I guess. Whoa!
Whoa!
Guys, we saw that.
Guys,
I can tell it's getting close.
okay, everyone chill out and just shush.
Whoa!
Yeah, only say whoa. Hey, I can't see you. Dang it, I missed it. It's not time for a Havana. Yeah, you could wear those. Yeah, I didn't see that, but I caught it on camera.
Savannah, no, I'm just kidding.
Still your glasses.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's a thunderstorm, Mom.
Yeah,
Whoa! You got that on camera.
I might have, but dude,
Can they see anything?
Yeah,
Does
no.
it look like it?
They can only see it when it's flashing. They only see it when it's flashing.
Whoa!
Dude, I'm glad I got that on camera. Yeah.
I wish guys, this is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. But again, I say, guys. Oh, my hair's all messed up. Okay, but as I say again, hope for me that this thunderstorm doesn't come crashing on us. Nor him, nor anyone else in our neighborhood. Okay.
Yeah, we're YouTubers.
Yeah, we're all YouTubers too.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Well, except him.
Yeah.
And okay, let's get back to it.
Speed.
Whoa, that was crazy, guys. You just missed that. I got it on camera too.
Guys, we're gonna block you.
Oh.
I might.
Whoa.
Guys, chill. Take a chill pill. Whoa! Dude, like I stopped shaking the camera as soon as that flashed.
Storm? The
Dude.
storm from the cube.
The cube.
Cube.
The
Blue Lake is
The
coming.
cube is destroying
Blue Lake
Fortnite.
is destroying our world
It's the
too.
storm.
Hi guys. And
Guys,
also, she couldn't see. They couldn't see it. Okay, back to the other storm.
When will this video even end?
I know.
Once it gets to the 10 minutes.
Show them the jumping spider.
Oh wait. Hey guys, wanna go see something scary? And then we'll get back to the thunderstorm. Okay, look. My friend has a jumping spider. Okay, look. Yeah, look. It's scary. Get ready. Or it's gone. Whatever. It's fine. We're all good. It's good. It's good, people. But, yeah. Okay, let's get back to the thunderstorm. Okay, let's go. Whoa!
I didn't see that.
I got something on camera. Good. Dude, what if something like really?
Whoa. This is crazy. What if it struck the whole world?
Dude,
What if it was loud?
what if we could, dude?
Did you know that's the speed of light?
What?
Lightning.
The thunder?
All right, guys. I gotta tell you something. If this gets us, this could be loud. This could be dangerous. I know I said it 2 other times, but I'm just really
What if it's
hoping
near
this doesn't
our
drip
school?
towards us.
No,
Dude,
our
I'm sure.
school's that way.
Yeah, but it's
Dude,
close.
I'm sure our schools will be fine.
Wait,
Worry
it's
about
our
us. Worry about us right now, dude. 'Cause we might.
our lives,
Okay, know what? Let's just get back to it, and we'll do
our
the
lives
outro.
are more important than anything.
Yup.
Leave these on the ground, dude. Leave them on your head.
Try. By the way, don't try and save yourself. Try and save everyone. Like leave yourself behind if you have to, but save as many people as you can if something like a
You'll
thunderstorm
be
happens.
the hero of.
Or a big earthquake. You could, yeah, like he said, you could be the hero of something
You
big.
can be the hero of your family.
But hopefully this doesn't happen to you. So
It doesn't.
Guys,
hopefully-
please don't. If this situation happens and you're near it, please don't go towards it.
Yeah.
yeah, no, don't fool around with stuff like that, cause like
Don't.
it's like
You could
it could be really
actually
dangerous.
die.
You
This
could
stuff is
you could
real.
die. I mean, you might see people that done records of getting struck a few times and they stay alive. But you shouldn't try that. No. But let's get back to the thunderstorm. I'll say we'll do the outro soon and bye. I meant bye from because you guys are gonna go back to looking at thunderstorm.
Yeah, we are. Bye bye.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
no, not yet. Let's just look at it for a bit.
Whoa.
I just caught that flash on camera.
Whoa.
It's moving towards the guys.
Hmm.
It's moving towards us and this way at the same time.
Yeah, dude, that's moved.
It's moving.
Guys, should we
We should
stand
go
back?
inside. We should go inside.
I mean, hey guys, it might not get to us for a little while.
I got an idea. The camera can't hear it though.
Okay, so bye guys. We've made it to the 10-minute mark. It's not really flashing anymore, so we're just gonna say bye. Goodbye.